Portable jump start head with air compressor. Flashlight mode, strobe mode, SOS mode. Easy to carry with handle. Failed to jump start? Longer jumper cable for more convenient use. Connect the jump clamp to the DO anti-reverse port. Red clip to battery positive terminal. The indicator light will turn to solid green. Start the car engine within 30s. Tire flat. Easy to connect. Select car mode by M button, then long press power button to start inflating. Auto shut off when reach the pressure to avoid damage from overinflation. For kinds of air hose nozzles to meet your different needs. Car jump starter.